Here we go.
Also, we use the Mantra Flame Jewel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm surprised. The tech plots were really not that bad of a thing.
No, not that bad.
Yeah,
I like the plots
surprised.
themselves. It was just the, Oh, you mean for the actual creation of it, yeah.
Like the lag, I'm like... Because that's the one thing I had to do is a kind of a no-no thing. But it actually didn't work out bad, so I'm going to keep it. I think I want every 30 seconds. Right? 30 seconds? Would that be good?
Maybe?
No, we're doing 60 because fuck logic. Granted, that would actually convert it to 1, so I can actually do every second. No, I'll keep it at frickin' 30. And I'll just multiply the entire thing by 30, so it... Did I rename that variable? No, I did not rename that variable.
Oh, this isn't gonna be the longest stream, because I do have to get some sleep. I think I'm only gonna do this for like an hour. I have to go to bed by like 8. Could not launch Ark Editor. Please verify the installation. Seriously? Still?
Still. Try getting the new stuff from the Dev Kit, or from the GitHub. It's literally copy and paste.
Okay. It's not gonna fuck anything up?
No.
Let's see.
I've got it.
GitHub Ark Dev Kit. Thank you for logging in. GitHub Studio Wildcard 1 Ark Dev Kit.
Yes.
This is not the web page you're looking for.
Oh, you don't have the... It's not set up through your Unreal thing then.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you have to make sure that's set up.
How the hell do I do that?
It's linked with your Unreal account.
What's up, Longwood? How you doing?
What?
I was talking to Longwood in my chat.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like that. Even though it doesn't sound right, because that's actually more than they were doing before. Than the tech plot was doing before.
Is it?
Yeah, the tech plot was doing 25 every 30 seconds.
I'm just gonna
in the
use
live version.
I'm just gonna use my UE4 editor and just open that for now. I don't have a lot of time to mess with, you know?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
It's just as quick, you know?
Yep.
Hopefully I
Fair
should
enough.
have the new updated stuff, because, I mean, I did update the files.
Well, depends. The update stuff actually is on the GitHub. They should be fixing that in the next bit. I might have actually updated that today. Nope, it's still the binary. Basically, what it is. So please get them to resolve the out-of-date version issue. You don't have the out-of-date version issue.
Is yours version
A killer who takes
248.9?
his pleasure differently. Mr. Fister.
253.9.
Gosh, it looks like you could park
Alright.
a truck up in there.
It looks to me like somebody did.
Longwood, thank you very much for the host.
You
Yeah,
might not be
mine's
able to get a lot of
248.
stuff.
Yeah, I can't do what I want to do.
What's that you want to do?
Well, I mean, mess with the new shit, like the Akatina and all that.
Katina's doesn't have anything special in it, really. I mean, it does have special stuff, but
Yeah, I mean, we've got beavers that do just about the same damn thing, so. Just letting this thing discover assets before I do anything.
yeah.
It's taken forever. This version, for some reason, just takes forever to load assets.
What they did with the update is they actually made a lot more. Somehow, it's a lot more user friendly. So, like, not as resource intensive. I feel.
Okay.
It might just be the fact that I'm not having issues with 500,000 plants everywhere.
Yeah?
That could be it. How do I want to do this? Because, like, I can do it every 15. I can basically cut it. Yeah, I can do it in half, so that'd be 15 seconds. Multiply that number by 15. I don't know, normal crop plots still seem to produce like once every 4 or 5 seconds, and it's usually a grouping of stuff. There's a new comment on Pugnacia.
Huh?
There's a new comment on Pugnacia. Oh, going live for dev.
Oh yeah, that's me.
Damn it, can I like unsubscribe from your comments?
I don't think so.
That's more so looking at to see if there's a thing on not resource crops, but my other new mod.
Ah, okay.
Did I upload it and there's freaking already 2 favorites, 3 subscribers, and 23 unique visitors. It's been up for an hour.
Not bad, not bad.
2 hours.
Well, that's a little worse.
Well,
that's
I mean,
only
it's a
one
5
person
a.m.
every 5 minutes, man.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a brand new mod that, I mean, granted, it's a Dino Reset Potion. Once word gets out that there's a fucking Dino Mind Wipe,
Mm-hmm.
or effective Mind Wipe, you wanna know how big that's gonna be probably overnight?
What'd you name it?
Dino Reset Potion.
I would have just done Mind Wipe Dinos.
It's not really a Mind Wipe, it basically resets the Dino to basic.
Yeah, but people might not recognize that. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you just put Dino Mind Wipe right in the title.
Well, yeah, people would. It's not even a Mind Wipe, it's a cloning tool that murders the family of the baby.
I mean, I agree, but the layman's not going to really know much of a difference other than it's going to make a baby. Of course, on servers that you know, could be a problem. That might be a problem.
Well, it makes a baby of any dyno no matter what. It is a little bit more expensive than normal mind wipe because it does require polymer and electronics now.
Okay. Okay, it finally got all this stuff.
And it is my only mod that I have made it so you have to be over level 0 to actually learn the engram.
Oh, man.
And now I'm such an evil person.
RIP.
You have to be level 60. So you have to be able to make a T-Rex saddle in order to be at the same level to, I think, make a T-Rex saddle to do this. Now, the reason I kind of did that was just so you wouldn't get those cases with, I wanted so people have a base. Because you cannot do this in the wild. Because you are making a baby.
Mm-hmm.
And I had to make sure, like, I explained in the freaking description, hopefully without any spelling errors.
You didn't make any spelling errors?
Hopefully
I gotta see this. I gotta see this.
Hopefully I didn't.
Workshop items. Dino reset potion.
I mean, the fact that the icon's a mind wipe tonic.
You misspelled scorched.
Okay, let me open up the thing so when if I have to update it again, I don't have to.
Misspelled megalodon. Misspelled triplets.
Yeah, how did I? Okay, I don't think I spelled megalodon wrong.
You did.
G-A-L.
You're still missing something.
M-E-G mega L-A.
Here, I'll
M-E-G-A-L-A-D-O-N.
Here, let's do
Right.
this. Let's do this the easy way.
Find my Megalodon, Steve, because I know I copied that from the frickin' wiki. Yes.
First comment.
Oh, God. Doesn't help, I don't think I relaunched Steam, so I don't have...
So you can't see it yet?
Well, no, my Steam, it has issues with actually viewing the workshop sometimes. It happened recently, actually, so... I'll never do it, so I can do it on the Steam app. Which is what I'm doing. There's the fucking Wikipedia page! Oh, L-O!
Yes. I was like, you're missing something.
Alright.
I mean, it's a good thing you got me.
Yeah, Scorch is definitely spelled wrong.
Yes, it most certainly is. Alright. I want to try the dung beetle again, but I don't want to corrupt my game. I mean, it's not that hard to... you have all this stuff right in front of you, right, for that?
I can get it all in front of me.
Hey, David, how's it going?
Can you say did spell triplet? There's only
yeah.
one P.
Yeah, only one P. Catching on.
I can get the dung beetle in front of me.
I mean, at least I caught it before, you know, like someone else came in there.
Before it became like 70,000 people.
Because you know it's going to.
Overnight, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like overnight, I'm expecting this to be like I wake up and we look tonight and it's like, holy shit, like this is #1.
Well, it might be if it said
Mind wipe, I can't do that. I really shouldn't do that because then people think it's like the mind wipe, and it's and there's like so many risks with it.
You could put like mind wipe substitute.
Whatever.
I mean, I'm just trying to think of things that might.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
ways to do it, but like also mind wipe is like, all right. So dung beetle. Let me grab my dung beetle.
I'm grabbing all the parts right now.
Yeah, you just really need the dung beetle itself. You don't need unless you want to do things like what I did. Is I made my dung beetle. Like when you kill it, it gives you fertilizer. Like you'll literally when you eat its body, you get fertilizer.
That might be a little overpowered, just because there's going to be so many of them in like caves and things like that.
Yeah, but you can only get to them with saber tooths. Can't get to them with like Rexes.
No, but you can get to them with hatchets and
Well, yeah.
everything else. And if there's that many, because there's a lot in caves.
Yeah, I mean it's a way to get it. I mean, granted, it's fertilizer.
Yeah, I mean it's not a huge
Would you
deal.
rather kill dung beetles or wait the fucking hour to craft that shit?
You got a point. Dino character status component. Dino.
Okay, he's at least very simple.
Tamed inventory component. Here we go.
Okay, I thought he was a little worse. I mean, he's not easy, but he's not.
I caught it. It's on Reddit already. What is the mind wipe?
It's on Reddit. You're kidding me? It's on Reddit. Can we like get a link or something?
If he posts it, yeah.
I mean, I'm on Beam.
Bunfer entered your channel. Fisker is back
Yo.
on the server.
Oh, Bunfer.
That's a joke, Josh.
Oh, it's a
Damn
joke.
it.
Okay.
Made me excited. Okay, dung beetle.
All right, just go directly into the dung beetle. Go over to the graph.
Graph. Yep.
All right, what am I doing?
All right, we are gonna need 2 custom events that are both gonna be. Well, it depends. Do you want just to collect the poop, or do you want to add fertilizer to crop plots?
Actually, both would be cool.
Okay, so yeah, you want to.
Yeah, let me delete this. Or actually, I can just name this.
Yeah, you can name them. We're gonna use them for easy triggering these events. You can also make functions, but no, that's nice.
Okay, the bottom one I'm gonna name "Give Poop to Crop Plots," and this one's
Well, give fertilizer,
"Pick
not
Up
poop.
Poop."
They don't give
Alright.
poop to crop plots. They give fertilizer, but yeah.
I'll fix it once. Give fertilizer.
All right. And then you're also gonna need.
Add one saying, throw poop after Rona.
Okay, we can do that too. But okay, you're also gonna need event blueprint tamed tick.
Okay, got it.
All right, from a blueprint tamed tick, you're gonna go into a sequence.
Okay, got a sequence.
And you are gonna need a decent amount of room horizontally.
Okay.
You're gonna need, you got the 1 and 0, the 0 and 1. So then you're gonna just have to call function, or I think it's, what is it? Add. Yeah, you can just call your functions, the 2 functions that we just made.
Okay.
And those go in from the 0 and the 1.
How do I call function from the sequence?
Just type in call.
Set team dino call out range. Oh, I probably don't have to pull off the then. Call function.
It's literally. No,
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Give fertilizer to crop plots. That's the bottom one. Okay. And pick up poop. Okay. Got them both?
Yep, and those go into the sequence.
Okay. So just like then goes into then one or zero
Then-
goes into
yeah,
one of them.
Then 0 goes into 1.
Then
Basically, it's splitting it into two things.
okay, it's just a splitter basically.
Yeah.
All right, that's done.
Alright. And you are going to need a lot of room for the other two. So, because basically each one is considered two different functions that will not really talk to each other.
Okay. Now is that for the pick up poop thing and the
Pick
get
up
fertilizer?
poop and get fertilizer. They don't talk
Okay.
to one another.
So we need room for them.
We need room. Yes.
Okay.
They're not bad. They could be worse.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So pick one that we can start with.
Let's
Poop
go
or-
pick up poop.
Okay, let's make it pick up poop first.
All right.
Okay, you're gonna need to get actor location. Or actually, first from collect poop, you want to get box overlap, overlap actors or sphere overlap actors.
Box. Do I actually have to pull out?
You should be able to get.
Oh, it's just called box overlap
Yeah,
actors.
box or sphere.
Okay. I just went with
That's
box.
capsule. Well, box is easy.
Waiting on the rebuilding class hierarchy. Okay, got it.
All right, the box position is going to be get actor location.
All right, let me drag that out and get actor location. Got it.
Okay. And then the box extent, you can actually, basically you want to define it in like the extent in the X, Y, and Z coordinates.
Oh, like how big?
Yeah, how big? So.
1200 by 1200. Pretty good.
I do 1920.
You did 1920? I'll do 2000.
Oh, so you're gonna make a better one.
Slightly.
Not that I've ever had an issue with 1920.
Yeah.
That is
Right.
the radius for half my stuff. Okay. From the object types, you're gonna want to drag that out and do make array.
Okay, that's done.
And set that 0 thing to only collide with stationary.
Only collide with stationary. Done.
Okay. And then actor class filter. Dropped item generic low quality C. Or underscore C.
What was it?
Dropped item generic low quality underscore, yeah, dropped item generic low quality, I believe underscore C is the one.
Why is it cut off?
I don't know.
Okay, I think that's it. Drop item quality. Yeah, there we go. Generic low quality underscore C. Got it.
Yeah, low quality, yeah. Okay, we're done with the box issue.
Okay. Now we go to the other one?
Okay. Well, no. Now we have now successfully found said dropped poop and eggs.
Okay.
So then from the output actors, and you're going to want to go into a for each loop.
Okay. Got it.
And okay, from the for each loop, you're going to need to cast from the array element, cast to object. You also need to connect box overlap to the for each loop.
Cast to navigation object base. Cast to online beacon host object.
Should be just cast to, or cast to object. Just search object.
A killer
I don't
who
know
takes
why
his pleasure
I
differently. Mr.
But I
Fister.
do.
Good gosh, it looks like
ProcessorIntel, thank you very much for that host.
It looks to me like somebody did.
To string object equals object, select object.
No. Okay, so do I need a? All right, then you're just gonna need to cast that to basically your the dropped item.
Oh, here we go. You just have to create a 2 object. I guess.
Do you?
Yeah, I just had to create it outside of the thing. It allowed me to do it.
No,
What's the
that's not
Pugnacia?
it.
No, that's not it. Okay.
That's definitely not it.
What's the Pugnacia mod? It's a it's like a dyno overhaul mod.
Oh, you can just do cast the dropped item, generic low quality.
Okay.
I believe you can.
Cast a dropped item, generic low quality. Okay.
Yep.
Got it.
All right. You're gonna want to make sure you connect your thingies.
From the okay.
Box overlap to the for each loop, and then from the for each loop into the
Loop body or the completed?
just loop body. We don't need
Okay.
we don't care about when the array's completed. We only
Okay.
care about when it is.
Yeah, this one right here, basically, we're making the beetles automatically pick up poop and put them into the fertilizer bins.
Okay, from dropped item generic low quality,
Mm-hmm.
you are gonna need to. Okay, you're gonna need to get your inventory component. I believe it would. You don't have to drag. You don't drag it out from there.
Oh, okay, just your inventory component.
Yeah, get inventory component because the poop doesn't have an inventory.
That is true. Get my inventory component. There it is.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Oh, actually, I'm pretty full. I wish you'd asked me. I ate all that steak and stuff. Like, I'm retardedly full right now. Like, almost throw up full. Alright.
From your. Alright, from the inventory component, you want to get max items.
Get max items. Okay.
And you're also going to need to get your inventory items. Yeah, it should be an array. No, from the my inventory component.
Oh, okay.
I should clarify.
Get inventory items. That's done.
All right, and you're going to need to get the length of that array. Why do I have it like that?
Okay.
Does
I
that
got
matter?
length. And girth. Haha!
Okay.
Oh, you don't have.
That's not nice, Jackie. You need to stop literally copying my wife. Well, not you, but your lady. He does that shit too. Yeah.
Okay. From the return value of the get max inventory items, you're gonna want to multiply that by 0.8, so it'd be integer times float.
Okay. 5.8.
Yes.
Done.
And then you're gonna need to put that into a we can. What's gonna be better? Greater than or less than for this? Less than.
Okay, so we go on a less than float to float.
Yes, less than float. Or no, we're actually going. It would be easier if you take it from the length.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you take it from the length is an integer.
Oh, okay, so less than integer to integer. Okay,
Yeah.
done.
So we have to convert the float into whatever the float is into an integer, which is why we're doing 0.8.
Okay. Done.
The length goes in the top, and the product of the multiplication goes in the bottom.
So like this to this. Let me know if that looks right.
Length goes into the top hole. It'll go into a floor and then into there. So yeah, that looks right.
That looks right.
Wait, no, you don't multiply the length. No, you don't multiply the length by the max inventory component.
Okay, so I delete the part that's coming off the length then.
Yeah, basically you want it to multiply by 0.8, not the length.
Okay. 0.8. And so I drag that into the floor then at A? Or
Alright, so
am I going somewhere else?
that's fine. Just keep that. No, don't put the length in anything.
Okay.
Other
I
than
didn't
the-
put it into anything.
Other than the top of the less than.
Okay, so floor is still good. That's good, right?
Yeah, everything is good.
Okay.
You don't need to touch floor.
Everything is good in the world.
All right, and then you're gonna need to get a branch after the max inventory items.
After max inventory items.
Yes, and then you plug the less than into the branch.
Okay. That goes in the condition.
Yes.
All right.
Well, I think we've already done that little section of code before.
Yes, we have.
So you fix the weight of the flameman key.
Oh yeah.
No, this is actually I think how we fixed. Oh, and then cast from the generic low quality into max inventory items.
What's up?
You go from the cast to drop item low quality into the get max inventory items.
Oh, oops.
Oh,
Hey,
that's fine.
quit crying. All right.
We're
there
going
we go.
back to the. We're going back to that item.
Which item? The get cast to.
Yeah, we're gonna be going back to that. So you might
Okay.
want to like maybe move your inventory items down, so it's a little less.
I'll just do this.
We gotta play with that one a little bit more. Okay.
That work?
Hold shift and left click, and you can drag a box to move a lot of things at once.
Oh, nice. I didn't know that.
What?
You can make a box.
Yeah, no. I was more surprised of Josh not knowing it.
Yeah, I'm like, how do you not know how to make a box? Like in any program, I was like, I don't think they even had to really tell me that.
All right, there you go.
Oh, you just shift clicked.
Yeah.
Oh,
I know I could have just. I could have just. You know, made a box. I didn't.
Well, I mean, organizations. Okay. So from the dropped item generic low quality, we are going to need to get your item. So get my item.
Get my item. Got it.
All right. And then you cast that item into cast to item consumable poop.
Cast to item. Cast to. Where's the poop at?
Primal item consumable poop. You just search poop.
See poop in here. Wait, I'm just gonna look for poop.
Yeah, didn't I just say that?
Cast to item. Poop. There we go. Got it.
You found poop?
Yes. They didn't do the underscore.
Yeah, I know.
Dicks.
Okay, so from the true, so basically the true from that branch that we made,
Uh-huh.
from that tree, you're gonna want to go to the poop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's
that-
bring
that's-
this all up over here then.
Yeah. Because basically, you're just seeing if there's room for the poop in that little.
There we go.
That little mini function we made.
That looks good. Hey, Chris, how you doing?
Is it just me, or does the game really prefer purple or pink dinos?
It really does.
You can turn down the weight of that. Okay, so we are now at cast the primal item consumable poop.
Yes.
Okay, from there, you are going to want to get the class.
Get all actors of class, or just get
No.
class?
Drag from the inventory, the actual item.
Oh, okay.
The blue node.
Get class. Got it.
Okay. And then cast the primal item class.
There we go. Cast a primal item class. Someone take a crap. Did James poop?
Well, I mean, we are working with poop.
Sure.
Yeah.
Alright, so from
Mhm.
primal item consumable poop, you're going to want to go into the cast.
Alright. Done.
Alright, you are also going to need to get that item's quantity.
Okay. Do I go from the...
You go from the item, not the, you go from the blue, not the purple.
Okay. So we're getting its quantity?
Yes. Oh, I just noticed a bug. Quantity doesn't have an L in it.
I don't see quantity. Well,
Item
quantity
quant-
doesn't have an L in it.
Quality does.
Quality does. Quantity doesn't. Where do I go off for that? Get item quantity off of the blue? Then
Off the blue item. QUAN. Get item quantity.
Okay,
QUANTITY.
correct. Quantities.
Okay.
Quantities.
And you're gonna need to get your inventory component, which is just anywhere on the graph. No, not. You don't drag anything out for that.
Yeah, I'm just typing it. Get my inventory
Okay.
component. Got it.
Now, remember how we got that add new item thing? Because we're gonna need to get that pretty much the same way. It was Windows and Palette, because you don't have that up.
Window palette. That's up.
That's on like the really top.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. You're going to search for add new item.
Okay, add new item. Got it.
Drag that into the world.
Got it.
And then basically from primal item class, you're going to need to go into the add new item. The purple goes in the purple. The inventory component goes in the give to inventory, and the quantity goes into the quantity override.
Quantity goes in the quantity override.
Yep.
Inventory component goes into give to inventory.
Yep.
Alright, that's done.
All right. And then basically from there, you're going to want to go into the destroy actor function.
Okay, that's the return value?
No, you don't want to destroy that. You basically don't just do a destroy actor. And we're actually going back in time.
Okay. Destroy actor. Got it.
Okay, we are going to go and cast the dropped item generic low quality and take that item and put that into the destroy actor.
That's to drop item generic low quality. Is that for the cast failed?
No. Just that the blue line. Just drag that blue line all the way over.
Okay. That's a long way to go.
Yes. Well, not really, because you have everything spaced out a lot.
True. Gotta get all the way over.
You can add a reroute node somewhere in the middle to make it easier for you.
There we go, I got it.
You got it all the way over?
I got it all the way over. Can I just bring it all the way to the back?
Well, you could, but... Alright, so...
Or do I need to keep it there so I can put an arrow into that?
Well, yeah, you're gonna go from... Actually, after you add the item, you're gonna destroy the actor.
Okay, so basically add new item, the arrow goes to that.
The destroy actor, and now you can go into the world and basically test it with poop.
Okay.
And then we'll deal with the sorting. Or the actual sorting of the crop plots later.
Alright.
We just did a good amount of code, so we want to make sure that collecting of the poop works.
Does it need a inventory component first?
Yes, he is going to need an inventory component.
Alright, let me add that real quick.
I should have a tamed inventory component already.
I mean, it's got the beetle one, but I'll just throw mine in there. And you know what?
That's the character status.
Oh yeah, yeah.
The inventory
I'll
component's
fix that.
somewhere
Yeah. It's in here.
Well, no.
24,000
Oh, actually,
damage
what'll
per
happen
step.
with him
Here it is.
he's not getting the. He doesn't care about the weight.
Oh yeah, okay.
He'll keep collecting poop until he's too fat to collect. Until he physically cannot collect poop anymore. I would recommend summoning in a Pugnacia along with the dung beetle, and you can test it out.
Okay. All right.
But I still think Pugnacia poops the most out of any dino.
One or more blueprints have an unresolved compiler error. Are you
Error,
sure?
let me guess. Nocturnal.
Yeah. Megaloceros, storage
Megaloceros,
box, and is not player move command.
Yep, that's fine.
That's fine? Okay.
That is fine.
Is that from the error of what they just
That's
did?
from basically you need to get the GitHub version in order for you to fix those.
Good grief. How do they break stuff like that?
Oh, trust me, it's been like that since I had it. Since I downloaded the one for the frickin' Akatina.
Uh-oh, he fixed his whisper. I mean, what's he want? Could you host a vanilla Ark server?
Why a vanilla Ark server?
Blueprint compiler error. Okay.
Alright.
It went right past it. Alright.
What? Oh, up there?
Good grief, man. They need to fix that.
What? The fact that it takes so long to load up the world the first time?
Well, no, it gave me a blueprint compiler
Well,
error.
yeah. What happens is you just have to get the new thing.
Alright. Now I
Spawn
need
in a Pugnacia. Just because fuck trying to do it with any other dino.
Pretty much. Here it is. Untamed or tamed?
I'd do tame, so you can do stimberries if you want to. It really doesn't matter. We don't care about whose poop it is. We just care that it's poop. Enough Pugnacias?
Jesus, you need so many arrows to knock something out.
Yeah.
Why don't you just use like his arrows? I
am using his arrows.
Some of the dinos have a lot of torpor.
Well, that's what the dart's for.
Alright, let me spawn in like a billion stem berries.
The darts?
Yeah, didn't you make darts?
Yeah, they do a percentage. Okay.
Well, you won't actually see the poop on the ground. Actually, you are.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's take a look at your dung beetle.
Absolutely nothing in him.
Why is there absolutely nothing?
I even moved him into the poo. Let me open up
Alright.
his,
Yeah, open up his graph and see what's happening. We're not doing a... What's it getting stuck on?
The pickup poop is not, connected to
Firing?
anything.
Wait, it's not firing. The collect... Or the... No, collect poop doesn't have to be connected to anything. Event tick is not even firing.
Yeah.
Is that event... That's what, blueprint tame tick?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe you have to click something in defaults. Yeah, use BP tame tick. You have to click that in defaults. You can actually do that through while the game's still going.
Alright, that's done.
You can look and... I'm not sure if it's actually debugging that one or not.
Nothing in his inventory. Let's,
Restart the world.
yeah. Strict compile. Save. Yes, thank you. I know there's errors. It's not my fault. You guys broke it, not me. And there we go. Dung Beetle, why are you so into, there we go.
He's so into the Pugnacias.
True.
He knows that they're all about that poop. Why is it not collecting? What's it getting stuck on now?
Let me, open it up. Doesn't look like it's doing anything.
That is blueprint tame tick, right?
Event blueprint tame tick. Is there supposed to be an output delegate that goes off of it?
No. Output delegates are very situational.
For the pickup poop, is it supposed to have anything self-referencing there, or?
Whatever, defaults self-reference.
Yeah.
It should, because you want your dung beetle to call the collect poop.
Correct. Hmm.
Oh wait, make the graph bigger. Like, make the graph size bigger because we can't see what the debug object is.
Alright, I maxed it. It's
Is
a dung beetle character BP MyMod C1.
Alright, so
Try a C. Oh, there we go.
okay, so what's that getting stuck on?
Looking. So it's getting stuck on the branch right after the length.
After the length.
Yeah, length and
Did we
returns
invert
true
the-
if A is.
Did we invert those?
Might have.
if the length of the array is less than 0.8 of the max inventory items.
Minotaur. Then it's gonna push.
Is that that's not wait.
I could try putting it to false and see what happens.
Even though oh wait. Oh, less than no, because we have it looking the identical way. And it's obviously emitting false. So, what we want. I wonder if mine's doing the same thing.
Maybe.
Fine, let me go get frickin' Pooptron.
I'm gonna try swapping the true to a false and see what happens.
Well, we know it'll work that way then. But, well, then we could potentially have an issue.
He could just constantly fill his inventory.
He would. Unless his max inventory items are technically full for some reason. Update his weight, maybe?
Yeah, let me try adding more weight to him.
Yeah, give him like a fuck ton more weight.
Sounds good. Okay.
That actually might, because I'm like, that's the only thing that would make sense to me, unless mine is like.
Because he can only hold 5 pounds.
That could also be it. So like,
Let's do 125 pounds. All right. One dino in game tamed. Yomia. Alright, there's poop on the ground.
you can technically pick up poops. You can technically spawn in poop and drop it. Yeah, holy shit, mine's actually doing the exact same thing.
It's not picking it up?
Gosh.
Yeah, it's stuck on that branch.
Oh.
Well, it's gotta be stuck on that branch, so... Can... Technically...
Hey.
Well, wouldn't that be the max inventory item?
Aye. Oh. Eat a lizard. Oh.
Oh!
Get on some crickets.
Oh! That's why.
What's up?
Max inventory items is designed for structure inventories.
Oh, okay.
You're pissing off the lizard.
I'm not pissing him off. He's trying to attack me.
At a guess, pretty sure.
Chris VSV, thank you very much for the follow.
No, I don't want to look in the research crops. I want to look into this guy.
Just give him some crickets. No, the
You want some crickets, buddy?
You know the things that are chirping right.
Oh, light onto my chest here,
Yes.
or legs. Oh, it landed on his face. It's on his head.
He's like, where'd this go?
Dude, you know you have one on you, right? You had one on. Dude, you missed them. They're over there. What are you doing attacking me? Attack the crickets.
Okay, that's what we need to do.
I never seen him this active, Josh.
Oh, easy. Sucks at catching them. Hey, Paper Devil, how's it going? Oh, he's got one. That dude's funny. In case you guys don't know, we got a bearded dragon, or not a bearded dragon, a leopard gecko, and he's pretty crazy.
All right, fixed it.
All right, what would you do?
Basically, I changed get max inventory items to get absolute max inventory items.
Okay.
Then you, yeah.
I'm looking for it. Get max inventory items. Delete that. Get absolute. Oh wait, that's not right. Gotta be dragged off.
It goes.
Oh yeah, it's from the no.
It's from your inventory component.
Oh, that's right. Get absolute max inventory items. Okay, there we go. And that goes to the green.
It goes in the top of the multiply. Yep.
Yeah. And it's still set at 0.8.
Yep.
All right. Then I just
You
drag
go
the
from
thing all the way over.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that works.
Yeah. You just drag that into the branch, and you'll be good.
Okay, let's give that a shot.
Well, I know that works because I just did it and tested it.
Oh, who knows? The game might hate me.
Yeah, it could.
It's very possible. Thing is, this game hates me anyway. We tried to fix the dung beetle, and we ended up completely corrupting my dev kit, if that says anything.
What happened is we tried importing, and it corrupted the fucking.
Yes. Okay, I think it's picking stuff up now. Yes, it's picking up poop. Alright,
Okay.
cool. Now we
he
can work on the second part of it.
Yeah, now he also, another thing he does is he'll, on water, he'll automatically convert that into fertilizer because it's a dung beetle.
Mm-hmm.
I'm assuming you copied its default tamed inventory component.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Give fertilizer to crop plots.
Get fertilizer. Okay, your crop plot 1.
Yes.
That's more. Okay. Ooh, okay. So we are going to be going from your inventory component to get your inventory items.
Okay, so this is a continuation from the other one?
No, you can. I would recommend just doing another one.
Okay.
Because these can fire separate.
Alright. My inventory component. And that going into what?
My inventory items.
Get my inventory component.
From get my inventory component into inventory items. Drag out from the inventory component.
BP remote inventory allow add. Get add max inventory items. Get inventory items. The array.
Yep.
Alright, I got the array.
And that goes into a for each loop.
Okay. And is this going to be like a set quantity or...
For each loop.
Oh, for each loop, dear. Alright, got it.
Alright. The array element from that is going to do a cast to primal item consumable fertilizer base. Just search fertilizer.
Alright, there we go.
You didn't make your trank arrows, so we can use them with the NVIDIA crossbow?
No. I can't do that. If it's all going in through one mod, you know? Like, each mod has their own thing.
Yeah. Alright, obviously connect up the nodes.
Yeah, just loop body. Alright, there you go. That's connected.
Okay. Now we get to do the lovely box overlapped actor mumbo jumbo that we had in the first one.
Okay, that's done. And
You can literally just copy that pretty much section for the most part.
Alright.
Because it's literally the exact same things that we're actually doing.
So get actor location and all that
Get
crap?
actor location, yep. The make array. It's even going into another for each loop. Actually, no, don't do the for each loop because we need to do a special for each loop. Yeah, we need to do a special for each loop. We need to do a for each loop with break for that.
Alright, that's done.
Alright, the make array is going to be a structure.
Make
Actor.
array.
Yeah, the make array thing.
Oh, yeah, structure.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Got that.
Alright, and the actor class filter, we actually goes to crop plot base blueprint.
Okay. Just waiting on this thing to open. I love this gecko, man. He's so awesome. Crop plot base blueprint. Got it.
The output actors goes into a for each loop of break.
Okay. For each loop with break.
Yes. This one involves a little bit more of the long nodes, so keep that in mind. All right, the array, you go from the box to the from the box overlaps into the execute, and we'll leave the break alone for a little bit.
Okay, got that.
Loop body, you wanna cast to crop plot base blueprint. Drag it from the array element out.
Oh, okay. Crop plot base blueprint. Okay.
Even though it should, but whatever. This is like a double check.
Loop body connects to it.
Yes, loop body connects to it.
For so many nodes.
Megan, you gotta be quiet, okay? Hey. Sorry, go ahead.
Okay, from the crop plot, you're gonna want to get its inventory component.
So I have to do.
Got it.
You want to get its inventory component, not yours.
Oh, get its inventory. Okay.
Well, no, the crop plot's inventory. Not that's fine.
This is fine?
Yeah.
So my inventory component's fine?
Yeah, as long as it's connected to the crop plot, not
Okay, okay.
out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, no, it's connected.
All right, you're also actually gonna need to make a variable. Ooh, actually, I noticed something wrong with that.
What?
Oh, it's wrong with mine. Not wrong with what we've done.
She races freaking motorcycles? Nice! I was a BMX instructor. Not quite as cool as racing motorcycles, but...
But yeah, we are going to need to make a variable that is a integer.
Okay.
That will be the first amount.
Add math expression, right?
No, just like it's a new variable. You don't have to add it. It's not actually something in there. On the side, next to function, the pretty V with the plus mark.
Oh, yeah, variable. Here we go. Okay, and this is, I'm just going to call it, fertilizer to crop plot variable.
Amount. Or I just said for amount.
Amount. There we go.
Okay.
I drug that out in get. Right?
Get and set. And
Get and set?
You're going to need 2 gets, 1 set.
2 gets, 1 set?
Yes. You want it to be an integer, not a Boolean.
Oh, okay.
Can't really set integer. I mean, you can with Booleans, but that's a little more complicated.
Oh wow.
There we go.
No, you can. Yeah, you can change it from there, from a Boolean to integer. I mean, if you fucked it up and made it a float, we could still work with that.
Alright, there we go.
Alright. So what we are going to want to do here is from one of the gets, you're going to do a +1.
Is that an integer to integer?
Yes, integer plus integer.
Okay. And just put 1 in there.
Yes.
Okay.
We're adding 1.
Done.
And then the output of that goes into the set.
I'm eating.
Okay. So fertilizer to crop plot variable amount.
I'm eating.
Yes.
Okay.
That goes into your set.
Done. Jackie, I am in the middle of doing something here.
I'm eating.
I'm in the middle of coding. Look at this. Come here. I want you to see what I'm doing right now. If I walked away from this, you know how much of a pain in the ass this would be? This is what we're doing with a dung beetle. Hey, look at it.
Oh, this is nothing. You should see freaking tech plot.
This is what the dung beetle, it's going to pick up all the poop, and it's going to put it in fertilizer bins. Or in the crop plots.
Yeah, it
Sorry.
goes in crop plots. I don't care about fertilizer bins. They suck.
Yeah, I'm tired. Sorry.
Fuck the fertilizer bins. They suck. Okay. From the new My Inventory component, you are going to want to go... Okay, you want to go from the cast to crop plot into the set fertilizer amount.
Okay,
From that
that's done.
cast, okay.
In the My Inventory component?
Yeah, My Inventory component, into you want to get the inventory items. It's a pretty array.
Got it.
And that goes into a for each loop.
Okay.
You drag the end of the set into the for each loop. Into the execute.
Okay, that's done. Oh, not bad, Pugnacia.
Oh, actually, we didn't need to do that math.
What do you mean? The +1?
Yeah, we didn't need to do any of that. Oh, okay, we want to actually just set that to 0.
Set it to 0?
Yeah, I see what I did there.
Alright, I got it set to 0. I'm glad you understand this crap.
Yeah, well... Yeah, you wonder why my crop plots only do like 10? That little section that we just did is actually... Or we're actually working on part of that to get it. Right. No, you did it wrong.
I did it wrong?
Just,
What did I do
yeah.
wrong?
All right, so you want to actually just remove that you want to remove the plus. You want to completely remove that plus sign.
Okay. Done.
All right. Now, from the for each loop, the loop body, you again need to cast the fertilizer item base.
I need to cast a fertilizer item base.
Yes.
Is that from the array element or from the loop body?
From the array element.
Okay. Cast 2 primal item consumable fertilizer base? Is it a cast 2?
Mm-hmm. Yep, you're right.
How can the Caspiar and your new Tranctor have the same torpor if it's percentage based?
No, the arrow is not. The dart is.
No,
Yeah.
he said the Caspi arrow and
Well,
the
right, he
Tranctor.
probably used a Cosby arrow and the dart and a T-Rex, but he hasn't tested it on everything.
Yeah, like
The dart does a good amount.
the dart does a good amount normally.
And it's
But,
not
like-
necessarily all percentage based.
It's like a partial percentage based.
Yeah, it's like
Because-
partial percentage, partial damage.
Like it took us only like 10 of those darts to knock out a tame Dodorex.
Mm-hmm.
It took
You still eating the cereal?
like a few of them
You
to.
still
It
eat?
only took like 5 of them to knock out one of the Conflagra Inks. Okay, so from there, now we get to do that little math part for the adding 1 to the fert amount.
Okay.
So we actually need to get another set.
Okay, I need another set.
Yes, and then we just do that little math section, that little math thing.
Okay. Now, do I do the set from the second fertilizer to crop plot variable amount?
All right.
Because you made me make
So-
2 of them, so I figure.
Yeah, there's 2. Okay. One is an issue that you have another one. So basically, the fertilizer crop plot variable amount plus 1 into the set crop plot to fertilizer amount.
Okay. So I need to make a integer to integer, right?
Yes, integer plus integer.
Got that. And then just do an add amount of 1. Drag that into the fertilizer to crop plot variable amount. And then I also need to, while I'm at it, move the cast a primal item base into the set. Right?
Yep.
I mean, at least I'm kind of catching on.
Okay. Well, you also did one thing a little wrong, but
Oh, what'd I do wrong?
okay. So the first one, you literally just want to make sure it's set to 0. Like you want to control click off that like little line that you have. The teal line.
Okay.
Just control click out.
It's off.
Yeah, it's off. It's not connected. You just want to make sure that's set to 0.
Okay, so I don't even need the fertilizer crop plot variable amount on there?
No, you still need that because that is actually going to go into a less than statement.
Okay. Less than,
However many you want
okay.
to be. So probably like 5 or 10.
I'll just say 10. Well, let's do 8.
Well,
Let's do 8.
yeah, because normal crop plots are...
I think they're 10 slots, right?
Yes, I'm actually going to do...
I think 8's probably good.
I'm thinking 5, actually.
5's pretty safe, actually. Yeah,
Yeah,
let's just do
5. Yeah, because that's smart.
Mm-hmm.
That goes into a branch.
Okay. Alright, I got that for a branch.
Yep. And that one... Actually, you connect the completed from that for each loop into the branch.
Okay. There we go.
So basically what that's doing is it's counting all the fertilizer in the crop plot
Mm-hmm.
and seeing if it's
Less than 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, and from the tree you're going to want to do the add new item thing that we've done before.
Oh, the big thing. That is...
In the palette.
Yeah, I'm over there already. That caught on a little bit on that one.
That one is annoying. I got it somehow by accident. I don't remember how I did it, but I got it. And the only way I was able to find it again is through the add new item in the palette thing.
There we go.
Alright,
And...
yeah. True goes in to the add new item.
Okay, got that.
The item type is actually going to be fertilizer compost, because that's the only thing you're going to... that should be in there.
Fertilizer compost, that's done.
Yeah, give to the inventory would be the crop plot's inventory.
Okay.
That would
Where is
be
that at?
the one that is dragged out of the crop plot base blueprint.
Okay, so the my inventory component.
Yeah, the my inventory component dragged out of the crop plot base one.
Okay.
Like I said, we're gonna do some backtracking very soon.
Yeah, it looks like we're doing that now.
No, we are not.
It gets worse. Is this gonna look like a, just a big Jenga puzzle when we're done?
No, it's gonna be a nice. Well, mine looks like a nice straight line.
Oh, okay.
With a few things that go all the way into the beginning. Yours is gonna look like a Jenga puzzle.
I'm trying, man.
I mean, it's not as bad as the freaking what the devs do.
It's true.
Alright, so after the add, let me look. You have the give to inventory, the item set, so that's all set. Ooh, there's also an apply skin class, that's awesome. Okay, from that, the end node of the add new item goes into a remove function.
Alright. Remove item function?
I believe it is. Alright.
Oh no, that would just be a remove.
Yeah, no, it's a remove item.
It is remove item?
Yes. It's gonna look uncolored.
Yep, alright.
Alright. The array is actually your inventory component.
Okay.
Which is all the way at the beginning.
Oh, great.
And then, you know that cast the fertilizer item base at the beginning? That also goes into the array.
Good grief. Okay, I got that in there. And which one goes in there? The second one? What was the second?
Wait. You did it wrong.
I did it wrong?
Yes. Because it doesn't go into your inventory component, it goes into the inventory items array.
Okay. Let me... Oh, wait a second.
Because it made a break array in the middle.
Yeah, it did. You want me to delete the make array?
Yeah.
Make array foundation. There we go.
Foundation.
Sorry.
Function.
Like a make a wish foundation.
It's not make a wish foundation.
All
Okay.
right.
You want to drag from that my inventory items, or the inventory items from the beginning.
Oh, okay. So from inventory items.
Yeah.
Not my inventory components.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
The array into the array.
That makes more sense.
Yes.
I was wondering why we were dragging from an array to that, but that makes more sense. All right.
And that item is actually that first primal item fertilizer base.
Cast 2 primal item consumable fertilizer base?
Yes.
So as primal consumable fertilizer, drag that all the way over into the remove.
Yes.
Alright, there we go, got that. And then this add new item gets into the remove, right?
Yep.
And
And
return
guess where
function?
The end of that
Mhm.
goes into the break.
The end of the
In
okay.
the for each loop of break after the box overlaps actors.
All right, where's the break at?
That goes right after box overlap actors.
Lap actor.
It's the for each loop of break. It's towards the beginning.
Trying to find it. There's so much here.
Oh, you have it in a kind of a
For
weird
each
thing.
loop. Box. For each loop with break. Box overlap actors. Is it the return value? No.
It's the break. In the for each loop of break.
Okay, there we go. I got it. Into break.
Yes, it goes into break.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. And now the only thing, because I just noticed it, you're gonna want to do that for the first for each loop. You have to put the function, your custom event into it. Else none of this will ever fire.
Okay. Let me bring the custom event over.
That goes into the first, the beginning of the line.
Into the execute.
Yes, the execute on the for each loop.
All right.
No,
that's
no,
done.
no, the real beginning of the line. Like you're in the middle of the line.
Oh, you mean in the very beginning of the
Very
thing.
beginning, because then it's not even gonna find any of the other stuff.
All right. So the first for each loop then.
The first for each loop.
Okay. There we go.
All right, and we are all set.
All right. Let's give it a shot.
Yeah, now you have to get a crop plot and the
The dung beetle picking up shit.
All right, I would recommend opening up its inventory component.
The dung beetles?
Yes, this will make it a lot easier. This is a temporary thing.
Okay, the inventory component's open.
Crafting speed.
Crafting item speed.
You want to
5,000. 50,000. 500,000. There we go.
Oh, sure.
All right. Play. All right.
Yeah.
And Phiomia. Dung beetle. All right. Now I need a crop plot. Let's actually just grab one of my Cosby ones. Oh, I can't place it. Can't place it.
Yeah, just grab a normal one.
Yeah.
I had to actually modify some code in my Mega Crafter so it would actually collect from my tech plot, because that's not a crop plot base. It's an elevator base.
Oh, that's a static mesh. What am I doing? Primal item structure. Here we go.
Primal item structure, crop plot, medium, SM.
I gave myself 50 of them. It's a bit excessive.
Yeah, and the only reason we actually have the break in there is so we don't put in basically the same fertilizer into all of them. So we're not getting a dupe issue with that.
Alright, there we go. Ugliest crop plot placement you could ever do. Hey, Mom. Pizza night invite attention all dads of Sonoma students. On Tuesday, from 6 to 7.
Get up.
Yeah, I can get up at like 5. That actually wouldn't be a bad thing. Alright, just remind me, because... Oh, Mom, are you going to be here later? Oh, good. Comcast is supposed to be here at like 2. Alright. They gotta look at our internet because it's been kind of going on and off. It's been real spotty. let's try the next one.
And when you're done, make sure the Dunkin' Beetle has at least oil in its inventory.
There's no oil.
Is there fertilizer?
There's poop.
Well, poop, then it gets crafted.
I'm not seeing anything
Oh, wait.
else.
Wait, why is there only one piece of poop in there?
I don't know. I'm watching it disappear. It's gone. Is he just sticking the poop
Oh,
in
he's
the?
sticking the poop in there. Okay.
Oh, he's sticking fertilizer in here. It's just instant.
Oh, well, he's converting the poop into fertilizer instantly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see what it is.
Yeah, it's just really fast.
No, I know what he's doing. Okay, it's a bug.
That's a bug?
Yes, it is a bug.
Of course, it's a bug. It's a dung beetle.
No. What it is we have to actually that cast the fertilizer item base in the beginning of it needs to be a different.
I mean, it's putting fertilizer in here.
It's putting fertilizer, but it's not crafting the fertilizer. It's putting poop in there that it's turning into fertilizer.
Oh, yeah, okay, that's a problem.
It's not actually crafting fertilizer.
Okay.
You want to cast the primal item consumable fertilizer compost.
Alright, let me, open it back up here. Cast 2. Primal item fertilizer consumable. Instead of fertilizer base, we do fertilizer
Compost.
Alright.
Yeah, the first one can be. The second one can be fertilizer base, so that'll take care of anyone's fertilizer. This only takes care of our normal fertilizer.
And then the as primal item consumable fertilizer, that goes to the break. There we go. That should have fixed it, right?
Yes. That should fix it.
Alright, let's go ahead and save that.
Because, yes, it was adding fertilizer. It was just adding... It's basically replacing it and spawning it. Turning the poop into fertilizer.
Well, I mean, that's what it's supposed to do.
Well, yes, but he's supposed to craft the fertilizer and give you oil in return. Not like, as soon as he gets poop in his inventory, turn it into fertilizer and put it in crop plots.
I mean, that's, you know... Alright, there we go.
You only need like one.
Oh, I'm eating the stem berries. That's not what I need to do. And then I dropped them. Good job, Josh.
You need like one stack of them in order to actually get it going. And plus, I think with medium fertilizer, you get a little bit more. You get like 2 fertilizer from it.
Something like that, yeah. Alright. Let's see if he's got anything in his inventory. Okay, he's got a bunch of poo in his inventory.
Okay, he should oh, you have to enable wandering on him. So it'll actually craft it.
Oh, okay. Enable wandering. Alright. Now he's got oil and a ton of fertilizer.
Yep, and that fertilizer should start going away.
Oh, okay, I got out of his inventory and it all went in.
Yeah, so it must not be replicating. They're like ghost items.
There we go. Yeah, it filled them. We're good.
Well, it didn't fill them. It partially filled them.
Well, yeah, I did 5. You know, it did what it was supposed to.
Yeah, exactly what it's supposed to.
Cool. Cool beans. That's what I needed.
I have a question about the fire and key thing. When it's crafting the metal.
Mm-hmm. If you increase its crafting speed, it'll screw it up.
No, it works fine. I have 3K on mine.
Did you do that while it was crafting, or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, really?
We were having an issue in the dev kit where it was just like...
Okay, well, yesterday when I logged in, they were all... it was frozen, but
yeah,
I just clicked one of them and clicked craft, and it started again.
Yeah,
oh, okay.
It's...
But my question is, when I go out of rendering, it seems like they go into stasis and then they stop crafting.
Oh. There's a way to fix that.
Yeah, there must be, because you know, like
The dung beetle, I don't think does that.
like a forge that will keep making while you're away, right?
Yeah. The dung beetle, I'm actually gonna put his crafting speed at like 10x. That sounds pretty good.
The normal one's actually fairly good.
Is it?
Especially with more weight.
I'm looking for the one that says 50,000.
It's
oh, that's the inventory, derp.
Inventory component.
Yeah. There it is. Will automatically pick up poop and put fertilizer into plots. I'll just say crop plots. There. Save, strict compile. That way, you know, people will look and be like, oh, hey, that's cool. There we go. That's set up. And the Ankylo Super for the crafting stasis prevent stasis. I think that would work, right?
No. No. Don't touch that button.
Bad idea?
Bad button to press.
Okay.
What will happen when you press that button? It'll become invisible.
Oh.
Yeah.
It just makes this more fun, right? Where's Waldo?
How can I make this work then? Because once he goes out of range.
In the inventory component.
Okay.
Could be something that the dung beetle uses for its inventory component.
Okay.
Like a prevent stasis or something, or if the inventory component can prevent stasis, he just can't.
There's nothing even in the inventory component for stasis.
Okay. The dung beetle also might not craft when not in the area too. I mean, I haven't really tested dung beetles to that extent.
Yeah.
There's actually a new thing we can do.
What's that?
I believe. That's not what I wanted. I guess it would have to be in the Anki.
Oh yeah, and you can also hold 5 of each artifact on the Anki and a lot of the other dinos too.
Okay.
I got sick of the whole can only hold one thing. Alright, what can I do in the Yankee? I'm out of ideas.
Yeah, I know. I have a. Really, I can't get that event on the structure. I'm surprised. Yeah. Okay. So that actually is the only way I can. Oh. Event unstasis. Event BP unstasis. You're gonna have to click that in the defaults. Or just search unstasis.
Trigger BP unstasis, allow
Yes.
auto unstasis. Trigger BP unstasis?
Yes.
Okay.
Click that. Click that.
Use extended unstasis check?
No.
No? Okay.
From the BP on stasis, I believe you just want to get in the event graph because I like playing in there.
Okay, I'm in the event graph.
You need to get your inventory component.
Okay. I'm glad you like playing around in this area.
Yeah. This is a fun area. This is where the power comes from. The other areas, no, they're just reskins. Alright, so I believe you can do a craft item in there.
Server
Yes.
craft item?
Ooh.
Is it server craft item?
Yeah, I believe it would be.
Okay.
Craft. Yeah, that's the only one it would be.
Okay.
And I don't think you need the player controller reference. Do you? No, you don't. I think it literally should be just that. So when it comes out on stasis, it's going to craft the item. But then there's no item reference.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, okay. Let me actually look at...
Oh.
This guy has a lovely little event in him.
Wish Mike was in here. he's like, I've done this a billion times. Of course, he's got his dyno, so you know they don't ever go into stasis.
Yeah,
Which that's scary.
Yeah.
Main problem with that, they can walk through your walls if they are not, you know, permanently, you know, out of stasis.
Yep.
Dude, I don't know what's up with the gecko today. He's just being crazy.
Oh yeah, you don't have a crafting thing then. Okay, so yeah, that should work.
Just my inventory component, server craft item?
Well, no, event BP on stasis. Into that.
Oh, into it?
Yeah. We can test that. We can test that out.
Okay. Is there anything else I need to do to this, or is that it?
You probably shouldn't, because all we need to do is
just the stasis thing.
Yeah, just have it craft an item.
Does it need a by PC shooter player controlled reference?
No, we don't need a player controller.
Okay.
We shouldn't, hopefully.
Yeah, wish someone would do an unnerfed Giga mod again. The last person... I'm doing it on mine.
Hey! Wait, unnerfed. What do you mean by an unnerfed?
Well, they nerfed it to the point where it takes 3 of them to take out 1 giga. That's wild.
Oh, okay, that. There
Yeah.
is an unnerfed Giga mod out there. It's called Next Gen Evolution.
That's his mod.
Yes, there is that one. It is an unnerfed Giga mod. Gigas are actually viable dinos.
Because right now they're kind of a joke.
And by that, they are twice as strong as the T-Rex. So they are. It is a nerf / buff. They do not get the rage effect, and they don't get like they don't get the enraged effect in there, but they're not nearly as powerful. And they're also smaller.
How am I going to test this, actually?
You give it a fuck ton of metal ore.
Well, I know that much, but how am I supposed to get away out of render range?
Out of render range, go to the other end of the map.
Do that, yeah.
You just can't do slow-mo, so you probably want to give yourself like a whole fuck ton of movement speed.
Okay, here we go.
Like the Giga, I feel got a nerf / buff in my mod because it was like it got nerfed because its damage output and all that was, I feel, nerfed, but buffed in the sense of he can't be enraged and he gets all that other stuff.
Alright, I'm gonna try to run away from him. Oh, actually, I got an idea how I can do it. Let's get on an Archaeopteryx.
Yep,
Oh, I'm fat.
Next gen will let you do that.
I think as soon as I get out of render range...
I was gonna, yeah.
There they go, they're out of render range now. Alright, now I can do slow-mo.
Yeah, you can.
He doesn't eat up stamina when he's sitting here, so... Alright. You think it'd be safe to walk over there?
Yeah, I'd probably get out of slow-mo before you go over there, so it isn't all crapped at once.
There we go. Cheat slow-mo 1. Alright, nothing had went off yet, so... If it's got more than 10 in there, then it's probably working.
What it would do is it at least would resume. I don't know if
It's got 10.
It's got 10?
Yeah, that's it. I don't think it's working outside of stasis.
Have you tried a high-level Carno?
There's... I got a level 80, I think it is. Not real high level.
I have two really high-level ones. They're pretty fast.
Are they pretty quick?
Yeah.
Pretty dangerous, or?
You might want to remove that ability for the low one, slow-up copies. Or movement speed.
Oh yeah, we're not gonna outrun one of the high-level ones.
Yeah, I don't know how to really, because fix that issue with them.
Yeah, I guess it's not that big a deal.
I mean, at least it's starting to craft again. Maybe the fact that it's... I guess that's the downside to Thing.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, not a bug, downside to Thing.
There you go.
I actually need to test the torpor of the car now. Or did you do something to the Carno yet, right?
Yeah, the Carno does torpor.
Yeah.
The Carno should be doing a shit ton of torpor.
Yeah, I just need to find a high level big dyno and see how hard or easy it is to knock it out.
Am I locked up? What's going on?
What's funny is your player's moving at the ink is not. It's like turning in.
Yeah, I'm confused. I can't get off of the Yankee or nothing.
Oh, you can't get off of him? What the hell did you do?
I can't ghost off or nothing. I think I glitched. Simple as that. I think I glitched. Well, seeing as that one thing didn't work, I'm just going to remove that from the graph.
No, it didn't. It did. I think it did work.
You think so?
Like, I mean, we can't really test if it on server restart.
That's true.
It should go through the event BP installation should go through. Technically, event begin play also goes through.
Yeah, you can definitely get off of them normally. I don't know why it did that last time.
Try adding to the crafting. Like,
Adding to what?
Like, get on him and then, like, hit craft all.
Alright. Let me make sure that's working. Okay.
Yeah, that's not gonna work after a little bit, but
I was have to take it out, put it back in. I just took it out, put it back in. It's working good now.
yeah.
I like that my Yankees can jump. Like
The Rex bleed is brutal.
yeah, that bleed is pretty rough, man.
It's also because it lasts for 30 seconds.
Oh, is it lasting for 30 seconds?
Yeah.
You can create your own custom buff to nerf that.
Yeah, that's a long bleed. Let me change that real quick.
Yeah, and it's percentage based, right?
Yeah. Where is the time in there?
No, you have to get the buff.
I'm in the buff right now.
Well, you need.
Oh, I'm in the damage type. I'm not in the buff.
No, you have to get the buff and actually copy that buff into your mod.
Yeah, I'm copying the buff over right now. Here. Okay, we got the bleeding buff, and now I'm in there. Deactivate after time. I'm gonna put that at like 5 seconds instead of 30.
Yep, and then you just have to set your damage type to that new buff effect. Also check to see if it's damage. Oh.
Okay, 2k damage was too much for the car now.
Oh, is it just killing stuff now?
Yeah. I tried a 565 T-Rex and it just killed it before it even tried to run away. It doesn't do instant torpo, right? It builds up, or
Yeah, I think it builds up.
Yeah, it builds up. It still does a lot, though.
Mhm. But still, it does damage when you do the attack. It's the same damage as a normal bite.
No, it's actually a little more than what the normal bite is. I actually buffed his bite damage, and then I buffed his bleeds. I wanted the Rex to be scary, because you know how we are. We end up punching him to death at the end of the game. I didn't want that. I want him to be kind of
the Rex,
scary.
I'm talking about the Carno.
Oh, Carno, yeah. Those things are dangerous.
Yeah, but it seems like if you normal bite or the headbutt, it does the same damage.
They do the same damage, yes. The headbutt does the knockout, though.
Yeah, I know. That's the torpo one.
Yep.
But when it does the same damage, it's you're killing it.
Yeah. I mean, I can lower it.
No. It's just to find the balance. How high can you go? Like the Genesis Poison Argent. How much damage can I give it before I start killing shit instead of knocking it out?
Here, let me let's see. Oh my goodness, yeah, that has a huge speed multiplier. Okay, I'm gonna change it on the base for when it's leveling.
The Carno?
Yeah, when it's leveling.
Yeah.
It gains 2%.
well-
You didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's quite a
did
bit.
it so the higher the level, the faster they are, right?
Yes.
Well, he has it set up so the wild ones will level it up, I think.
The wild ones are leveling it along with your characters being able to level it. So the higher level
Yeah.
dino you get, the faster they're gonna be. I wanted them.
That's
Yeah,
scary.
It can be, yes.
Both mine are high level. They have 372 and 377 speed.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah,
On a Carno, that's
I
fast.
haven't put a single point into speed on them. So
Okay, yeah, I lowered it by 15%. So
You need to be careful of that, because I'm not sure if the issue still exists where you can crash a server with speed.
you can't crash the server, but you can actually go through the bounds, and your character will get deleted.
yeah,
I've
know
ran into
of
that one.
problem.
I know of that one.
I've put a dino's speed all the way up to 1,000,000, and it didn't crash the server. What it did is delete my character and the dino and all of its inventory components.
Yeah, it destroys the actor.
Yeah. But I edited that on the Carno. Was there any other issues?
With the Carno?
Yeah, did you or any of the other dinos? Have you ran into any other issues?
Oh, yeah,
No,
there is an
not
issue.
really.
Your Mega Inkleo.
What we were just in that one.
Yes, that
Yeah, what's
one.
up with it?
Create a you're gonna want to copy the fertilized Inkleo egg base.
Oh, okay.
Egg issue.
Oh, when you breed them? Oh.
Yeah, because I'm 100% sure that that's an issue.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will get normal Enkies.
Yes. Have you tested that?
I might even turn off the
No.
breeding for these ones.
But
Well, I don't know. They're kind of cool.
they're pretty common. With the settings you have, at least.
I really don't think it's. I really don't think breed. I think those should be breedable, to be honest.
Yeah.
I don't see a reason why not. They're kind of like badasses.
Yeah, that's true.
Let me go find a male one. But
All right, I need
It's
fertilized Ankleo egg.
it's gonna be
yes. You're gonna want to copy that.
it's gonna be a pain for me to hatch it quickly because I don't have we
We
don't
have-
have the incubators or anything.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, we have AC units.
Yeah, I guess I could make a few.
You can use the
Dimetrodons.
no, you can use the starter forges.
Or the
Yeah.
forges, yeah.
Now, those are 300, so they.
What about the Yankees? They don't give you heat or anything, right?
No. You want to copy the Enki egg fertilized?
primal item consumable egg Ankleo fertilized?
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
And literally, all you have to do is change Dino class to spawn.
The question is also, what about the hatch timers, the breed timer?
Dino class to spawn.
Should be default.
Yeah, so it's gonna take forever
Well,
for me to
okay,
hatch
yeah, unless
it.
you change that.
Okay, there we go. Eggs dino class to spawn. Now do I have to go into the regular Ankleos?
Or you have to go into your Super Anki.
Yep, and then I gotta find the egg.
Would be fertilized egg waits to spawn,
Yep, I see it.
and then you set to your egg.
Oh, wait a second. That's not correct. That was just the regular Ankleo egg.
Yeah, I think we want to make it spawn normal Ankleo eggs, but fertilized conflagrant eggs. Oh, and another thing you want to do in that Ankleo egg,
Mm-hmm.
search
Well,
for.
it does lay normal Anki eggs.
Well, yeah, we know we want it to do normal Anki eggs.
But we wanted to do fertilized.
Fertilized
Yeah, the
special
fellows
Anki
should
Special
be
ones.
yeah.
Now,
Alright, that's done.
okay. So in that fertilized egg,
Uh-huh.
change the name.
Where's that at?
In the
Oh.
actual egg itself. Not in
I'll
the
just go to egg.
Well, it's in the egg itself.
Oh, okay. Let me open that up real quick.
Yeah, it's in the egg, not in the Anki.
Yep, looking for it now. Here we go. Fertilized. What is it? Conflagrant? What did I put it as?
Confucius.
I think it's conflagrant, right?
Yeah. And another thing you want is change that Dino Egg colorized instance Ankleo. The drop mesh material override.
Yeah, I think we'll go with a fiery one.
Yep. You can also change the Zac mesh.
So it comes out hard boiled. Or...
Mhm.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard boiled.
I'm just gonna do the colorization of the zombie fire. Well, no, that wouldn't look right. Let's see what eggs we have here.
No, don't.
Spider egg? Spider egg looks kind of cool.
Well, no, you don't have to do egg.
I know it doesn't have to be an egg.
Well, no. What I'm thinking you do is, what's that material that you're using for the dough ed?
Oh yeah, that would be cool. Let me see this though, real quick. I just want to see what it looks like.
It looks better if you use the spider egg mesh.
Okay, I don't even see it on the ground. 'Cause it needs a drop mesh, doesn't it?
No, it has a drop mesh.
Well, it's not there.
It has no health. It has no parent because you're spawning it in.
Oh, okay. I'd have to have two of them bang.
Yeah, you probably have to have two of them bang.
So much work. I'll just pull out the Dodecarus skin. What skin am I using? MI Moon. Okay. Michigan Moon.
Michigan Moon. What the fuck?
I don't know, man. I just went with it.
I don't think the Michigan Moon looks like that.
You ever been here in the harvest season?
I've been in Connecticut in the harvest season, but I'm pretty sure.
Alright. Well, that'll make it look like the Dodic, which doesn't really.
Well, you could also do lava rock. Lava rock could look cool.
Yeah, I think lava rock actually might be a better option. I don't know if that's the right one. Go with one with a little bit of. No. I want something with a little red in it.
Here's one thing you can do. Copy that drop mesh, or place that drop mesh in the world.
You can place the drop mesh in the world?
Or you can place a static mesh in the world. Like, go to where the static mesh is.
Yep.
Like where the drop mesh is.
Dropping the dropped egg in there.
Yep, put that in the world.
Okay,
And
I
then
got that in.
in the details tab. In your world settings for the
Oh, okay, yeah,
details.
details. Okay, and I could use lava m_lava_mic. Alright, let's play and take a look. Oh, that looks cool, dude.
And don't forget, it's gonna have that egg glow and be bigger.
It'll be bigger.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can actually see the scale of it with the Anks whatever scale.
Dude,
Yeah,
that
that's
looks
like-
cool.
That's like the size of the dodo egg. Actually, I think it's a little bigger than the dodo egg.
Yeah, we'll use that. Sweet. Awesome.
And don't forget, it's gonna have that egg glow too, and all that other fun stuff.
I am totally okay with that. I think it looks awesome. Save. Okay. Let me actually bring that lava into my folder.
So you had to compile it anyways.
Yeah. All right, there we go. That looks perfect. Okay, and I guess I should probably do the same thing with the Dodicers.
No, dodicers don't lay eggs.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. They're a gestation type of thing. I can still change the baby, right? Or do I need to?
You can't, because the baby is always going to be a dodic.
Oh, you can't.
You can make him an egg if you wanted to. It's always going to be the right one because he uses gestation.
Oh,
you
it's
can't-
always going to be a Doedicarus Super, so it's going to be the cool
Yeah,
one.
it's always going to be the cool Dodicarus Super.
Oh, okay, then we're good,
Because
then.
it uses gestation.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it then.
If they don't use gestation, you do have to make that egg.
Okay. Well,
Or
I can
if
live
you
with that.
I mean, or you can do what I did and make one egg that can be any dino you want it to be.
Yeah.
Which is what I actually had to do for my freaking mind wipe, or my mind wipe thing.
I'm going to go ahead and upload this then. El Bailarín de la Muerte. Let's see. We didn't really do much with it. Well, made ink
Dung beetle?
low. Oh yeah, that. Made conflagrant.
I remember doing that in high school.
Breedable with a badass looking egg. Added dung beetle that now will harvest.
Harvest, that's not the right term.
Will pick
Collect.
up, collect,
Pick up, collect those.
and distribute. Well, collect poop and distribute fertilizer
Yes.
to all crop plots
In an area.
in an area. Anything else we did? I don't think we did too much more. Oh, changed bleed buff of T-Rex to only last 5 seconds. No longer a 30-second gore fest. Okay. And cook game mod. That moment when you Skype your friend so she doesn't have nightmares while she sleeps. That moment when you Skype your friend and she forgets she's not wearing clothes. Those are my favorite moments.
That never happened to me, sadly.
That's happened to me. Hi, Jaggy. Do not mind. I was a pretty happy man. That was a good hour-long conversation.
Let me guess, you never corrected her.
Oh, she realized it. My wife was sitting next to me just giving me looks. Nothing.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Bitch.
I'm updating my mod.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
Nothing.
Well, I mean, your wife was the one that was streamed her tits all over your live stream.
But yeah, this is kicking ass. Mod's turning out pretty good so far. I know yours is a little farther ahead than mine. You're probably out of the D's.
No, I'm actually in the A's for
Oh, are ya?
alphas.
Oh, okay. He's
And
nuts.
I've gotten my 5 bosses done for the I mean, I still have to take my time on the bosses, give them their own special things, but...
Did you make Mothra?
No, I still need Scorched Earth Dinos.
Okay.
I haven't touched Scorched Dinos. I've only done... I did a little bit of touching Scorched Dinos, but...
Yeah, I'm adding Mothra. I think it'd be funny.
I mean, I just have the 4 elements.
Ah, okay.
You know, fire, earth, water, air.
Wind, water, heart, go, planet.
No, not
Oh, your
wind-
party.
No. Not go planet. I mean, I could make
25 errors, 747 warnings. Is that a problem?
Yeah, usually when it's cooking, it's in the world, kind of the errors, not.
I think
humans.
it might actually be the issue they're having.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be a problem when I upload it, but
See, at least I didn't misspell potion.
it's true. Prevent
better than
waking
research
tame
crops.
feeding not found. Okay. I gotta quit reading these statuses. These things make me nervous. Got him! Only errors are coming from the blueprints, it looks like. Yeah.
The errors are coming from the fucked up dev kit.
Yeah. Hopefully they can get all that fixed. I'm so sick of errors.
No, it's like everything, every other thing. It's like it works on my end.
Well, I can't even load, the dev kit normally. I actually have to go through the binaries.
Yeah, that's an issue.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it works. I'm not having any issues. Like, it's working like it should, which is a plus. I do need to make my own custom level, though. That way I can just load that in.
Oh, for all your stuff?
Yeah. Just make maybe, you know, 3 or 4 times the size of this. But I'll put in like an ocean type of thing, a volcano area, mountains. You know, just something small
There is... Okay. Who is it? I think it's called Ecolab.
Mm-hmm.
He's on YouTube. He's done like a complete tutorial on like making a map.
I feel like you need to make your own logo. That logo looks extremely derpy. Oh, the preview image? Nah, dog.
No, he doesn't need to make a new one. Yeah, or extra log. Yeah, I'll send you a link to this channel.
Alright, let me upload this real quick.
I was just gonna send it in TeamSpeak.
There you go.
Yeah, he has a series on map making.
Okay. I'll take a look at it.
You're disconnected from your channel. Fister is back from the server.
I know that logo is not derpy at all.
Freaking fix the harvest lag bug thing.
I'll turn it down when I get in.
Well,
Yeah,
there
no,
settings
but you know
that
they
way-
should fucking fix it.
Isn't there a server setting to fix that issue where it just keeps counting up?
Well, that's the problem, is it keeps counting up.
Yeah, there is a server setting for that.
There is?
Yeah. Like how else do you think servers like some servers run the 100x friggin' gather and not make it so you can't tame any dinos? There's a server setting to destroy unconnected water pipes.
I'm trying to see. I don't see any server settings that would fix that.
It's like one of those weird settings. I think it's like health, maybe?
Wonder if I can kill the level 4 Titan with my Giga.
Alright. Are you safe, Bunfer?
No.
Alright, get to a safe spot. I gotta get this thing restarted. I'm getting tired. I gotta go to bed and be up in 4.5 hours. So that kind of sucks.
It's gonna take a couple of minutes. This stupid Giga has no stamina at all.
You tamed a Giga?
Yeah. Yeah. Just so I have one for when you get to G.
Well, not gonna do you any good because it's gonna be a different dyno. You know?
Yeah, I think it's actually the Harvest Health.
It's probably the Harvest Health, yeah.
So now it does Harvest Health divided by Harvest Multiplier.
I'll just turn down the gathering a little bit.
Is what we're at 15x.
We're getting a lot of meat and hide.
20x. I'll change it to 10.
Yeah.
Do half of that. That should be fine.
Yeah.
It really doesn't feel like 10x, but
It doesn't feel like 20x or 10x.
it doesn't feel like 20x, I don't think.
I mean, I could set it on 200x.
I played on that before.
Yeah.
No, never 200x. I played on 100x.
What, Jackie? His mom was in here.
Yeah, I'm safe.
Alright. There we go. Not much, just updating my servers.
Scared the crap out.
Oh, my mom just scared my wife.
I'm tempted if I can to ask like one of my friend mod authors if they could add a mod to their server, or server owners to add a mod to their server.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, there's a PvP server that has 100 people on average on there, so that I am very good with the server owner.
Oh, okay.
He actually
Alright.
asked me today to work on a mod that he kind of wanted,
Save selected.
which would be he wanted a vault with basically a bigger ass hitbox.
A vault with a bigger hitbox.
Yes,
Why would you want a vault with a bigger hitbox?
basically people are like a pseudo hitbox. Like you can't place two vaults within,
Oh, like a... okay.
so they can only be placed within a little radius around each other. So you can actually walk in between two vaults. Because he has the PvP server and he's calling
they
it
can't make
People are
walls.
building walls, yeah.
walls and wall vault, basically making walls out of vaults. And it's a non-flyer server, so it's not like you have that option of flying
Wouldn't
over
it be
it.
easier to make a rule? Don't make walls with walls.
Well, yeah, but rules. Okay,
Well,
think about this. When
A
you
lot
have
of the
100
popular servers have rules, right?
Yeah, but also think about this: how easy is it going to be to enforce on a 100-person server?
Pretty easy. You see them do it, you blow up their base.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good point.
Not over
Well, what sucks is they're also having an issue with dino spawns. I'm like, you have 100 people on the island. Of course you're gonna have fucking dino spawn issues.
I mean, you can set the spawn
Yeah.
amounts way up.
Well, yeah, you can do that, but when it's
Put it to like
no,
500 times.
well, it's a no population. It's well, they tried that, but it's like it would just lag.
Yes, it's lag city.
What you do is you go on
we-
your farming expeditions and find those
we
like
have-
little abandoned stone huts on 100x servers, and it's like, nope, you're gone.
We have dino problems on the official server I played on. You know,
Well, yeah.
when we were breeding, and several other tribes were breeding, you know, when everyone's out getting meat, there's no dinos.
I wish you were gonna be home.
Well, you know that I'm not gonna.
For the Comcast appointment.
I pick up.
But yeah,
Well,
servers like that, you know, they need active admins that actually, you know, take care of stuff.
Well, like,
What will he have to do?
well,
He just
yeah.
basically has to check our lines. He'll be testing, you know, he's basically just gonna be plugging into things. I can,
like one thing I might suggest if he hasn't already done it, like auto destroy structures. and
were
stuff
they
like
here
that.
last time? I thought they were. I don't know if they actually did anything.
If it's a good
But,
group, empty. If
it
it's a
still
good
doesn't,
group,
so
they
yeah, they
won't
need to
go
check it
against
again.
the rules.
I don't have.
The download speeds and upload speeds are just really sporadic. Like you know, we're supposed to be getting 90 down and like 10 up. We were getting 0.41 down and 0.71 up. That's terrible. That's to the point where you can't hardly connect to a website.
You're about to install your dial-up again, or?
I
I can write you out a little rap sheet if you want. Might make
you
it
might
things.
have to write something out if you're. I'd rather
Yeah.
you be sick because.
I would too, but the problem is I'm gonna end up missing work if I end up staying up. You know. Yeah, I get sick and I start throwing up, Mom. I really can't do the whole waking up thing. Not when I've only got a couple hours of sleep.
So odd to me because I would be up all night and go to work and. It would
I don't know how you do it, to
2
be honest.
hours and-
It could be my ulcers, you know, that could
It
be,
could be.
with all the Mountain Dew and stuff I drink, I'm surprised I'm still alive, let alone, you know.
Quit eating freaking Mountain Dew.
Oh, I know, anime. I know.
Blame Jackie.
MT's work
Blame
ethics.
Yeah, we're gonna blame Jackie on this one.
You need an army to build a house.
The smooth.
I
It's
mean,
not about numbers. It's not. It's about how good the players are and willing to fucking work.
Yeah, Joe.
If it was there, you don't.
yeah, you're right.
All right.
Love you, Mom.
Hey, honey.
Oh wow, who got a 737 direwolf? You did? Okay, I was about to say. I'm digging that direwolf saddle though. I think it looks nice. That's an ugly direwolf though. It's like a power direwolf. Seriously, is that yours, Kyreem?
Yeah.
Kyreem? I'm gonna assume that's Kyreem's, because that had to have been painted.
Well,
There's such a low chance of it spawning all the same color.
I can always.
No, they spawn like that.
I always see at the bus home.
Yeah, he won't do that. I said James wouldn't ride the bus home. All I gotta do is
He
destroy
would
wild
ride the
dinos.
bus.
That way we
What
can
you
get the new
talking
dung beetles.
about? Rode the bus to his little field trip thing, and he had a blast.
The wolves will spawn in almost completely the same color.
Okay.
That
They're
means you would
not
get
they're
here
not
around
like
3:50.
the T-Rex or the others.
I'll pick him up at 2:05.
Alright, I just killed wild
Mine's
dinos. so-
purple.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Well, like I said earlier, you know, the game seems to like purple or pink.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, but you'd have to actually go there. That's the thing. You know how many times you've said I'll go to I'll go work out and then you never do, and then you end up charging me
I have-
tons of money.
Well, Well, I have a free. Go to the gym.
Oh, I tamed one of those. What are they called? Ferrino, the ones you have on your
Jimmy.
forge.
Hi,
They
James.
get a lot of wood
Oh yeah.
and fiber.
Oh, they get fiber too.
Yeah, the right click is fiber, is gathering fiber, only fiber.
The right click on the Gigantopithecus is fiber.
Okay. Yeah.
Water.
So he no longer throws. He will not throw you anymore.
Mm-hmm.
All
it's
the
like
time, anime.
It's like the Yeti is throwing a snowball, right?
Mm-hmm. I should remake the chem bench. Let's make a way better one.
Oh.
Alright, well, at least
Make
my
it
fist
blow
forges
up when
look
you're
good.
done using it.
What do you think about the fist forge thing? Do you think it looks alright?
Hmm.
Alright. I'm just glad I figured out how to do vectors. Scalable vectors. You like that, anime?
I completely forgot that you made the middle forge a grill, so I actually made a grill.
Oh, yeah, man, my middle forge is awesome. It's not the PewDiePie fist. Come on,
No.
bro.
It's the same with like many of the other mods that has 3 or more. You skip the middle ones, right? You always do.
Yeah. Alright. But I've got to get some sleep. Let me see if I can toss to host to someone who is playing Ark. I'm glad that I got at least the dung beetles and everything uploaded. Let me know if you find one. Aim them up. Check them out. See if they...
I do a cave run at the volcano once in a while when I'm bored, so there's
Okay.
usually a few of them down there.
Yeah, if you grab one, they will automatically pick up poop. They'll automatically fertilize your compost bin, or your
plots.
plots, yeah. So you don't literally have to do
But
anything.
it's normal fertilizer, right?
Yes, it is normal fertilizer. It's not my super fertilizer.
No. Well, I have a bunch of yours already, so.
Oh, okay, then you're good. It's more or less I just wanted to test it in a real world situation, but
Yeah.
I can do that
Well,
later.
If I find one, I'll try and tame it and just throw it in the
You don't have to. I can do it.
greenhouse. Well, if I'm doing a cave run anyway, might as well.
Yeah. Let me see who I've got for...
It's easy to, I just grab a bunch of poop from from your compost, the fudge.
It's true. Alright, let's give a host a medic. I haven't hosted him in forever.
Provided I get the heavy spread.
Yep, I'm heading out.
I'll make air conditioners. I can do them up top of my base and then hatch them and walk them out onto the elevator. Just gotta put air conditioners in.
Can I ask
Yeah,
now,
you eat the
is
first
it your
egg, I'll get the first
red
bread.
dot